Hey everyone, let's get started. The first step is to head over to the Profile Wireless product page on the Sennheiser website. We've provided the direct link in the description below to make sure you can find the page easily. Once you're there, click on the Downloads button located just below the product images. Under Downloads, you'll see a drop-down menu for firmware updates. Select the latest firmware file for Mac or Windows depending on your operating system, and click the Download button on the right side of the screen. Next, locate the downloaded zip file, open it up, and launch the firmware update tool. You'll need to connect your receiver and transmitters separately using a USB-C cable. Once connected, follow the instructions for each device. Keep in mind, you'll need to perform this process for each device individually. Once complete, you'll have the latest firmware on your Profile Wireless microphone system. If you have any questions, drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching.